Mm-hmm. Got them pipes on that thing. It's a little rainy outside. I'm super dirty. Got the big tips. I like them. I tried to do a video the other day, but the phone really don't pick up the sound that good. If I had to describe the sound, I would say it sounds like two alligators gargling whiskey. But I don't know. We'll see if it sounds better today. It sure sounds good here. Let's be honest, man. Cut that down, y'all young boys don't know nothing about that. But yeah, man, I love it. It ain't too loud on the inside either. I mean, you can hear it, but it ain't like crazy loud. I really like it. They even gave me, you know what I mean, a little cap. What I'm really hoping is, let me see, if I can get some better gas mileage. I ain't even looked. Hell, I stopped keeping track of it because it was so bad. Where is it at? See what I'm getting right now. God damn, hold on. Man, that's some dumb shit. Come on, man. Maybe this is the one. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Damn. Yeah, 16.7. So hopefully it can get a little better than that. But yeah, man, I love it. Worth every penny. Thank y'all for watching, and take it easy.